Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Monday said that the Meghalaya government is closely monitoring a suspected polio case in the state before making an official statement or formulating a plan of action. The case involves a child from Tikrikila in the West Garo Hills district who was diagnosed with poliomyelitis after being taken to Golpara in Assam. However, it is still unclear whether the case is due to a wild polio virus or a circulating vaccine-derived polio virus. Sangma stressed the seriousness of the situation and indicated that the government would carefully review all factors involved before taking any further steps.
Examining the entire process, the entire issue. It is, of course, a very, very serious situation. We need to be very, very careful. I will be taking a review on this in a couple of days, and then I'll be able to give you a better response to the entire situation. But yes, we have to be careful. We are still determining many factors, and then we will see and come out with the proper statement as well as the plan of action. If we find that the specific information and intel is actually very, very serious as it has been made to be.